Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you what comes inside a cozy blue embroidery kit. It's really great. First, there is the fabric that is pre-printed for you to embroider on top of. I especially like that it's in color. There is a needle, a nice John James embroidery needle, and know that you can use this needle or some other embroidery needle if you prefer. There are the flosses on this really cute little card that has the color numbers on it that you'll need to embroider this kit. There are a variety of papers. There's the postcard that has a nice color picture of the project and basic instructions. And then there's more instructions on this card. Really, she gives you lots and lots of instructions on how to carry forward. On this sheet of paper, you get more information. What kind of stitches are used, how many strands of floss. And then these are basic stitches here. So we've got these papers, and then also included is the wooden hoop. Now you can use this hoop to do the embroidery, that's why it's here, but you can also use this hoop to frame and hang this as a round project when you're done. And I know it might look a little small there, but once you remove the inner ring that would be on the underside, you can see that this fits nicely inside the outer ring of the hoop, and it would be really cute hung somewhere. And in fact, you might want more than one of these hung together as a unit, and I can help you with that because I have a variety of other cozy blue kits. These are a really great project if you're new to embroidery, or if you want something quick and easy to carry along that you don't need to think too deeply about. So, I hope you've enjoyed seeing what's inside, and may you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.